Hello, I'm Kara Meisinger, Program Director of Health and Human Performance here at Bellevue University. I oversee kinesiology, health and human performance, and public health degree programs. Students in these programs learn how to promote healthier lifestyles through physical activity, wellness approaches, and community health initiatives. We prepare our students to not only work one-on-one with individuals, but also to make a broader impact on the entire population's health. At Bellevue University, our class sizes are small and our faculty members are active professionals in their fields. This means our students benefit from real-world examples in the classroom, the expertise of seasoned practitioners, and mentoring relationships that often last long after graduation. Graduates from our kinesiology and health and human performance programs often find themselves working in strength and conditioning, fitness and wellness settings, or continuing their education in graduate programs such as physical therapy, occupational therapy, or chiropractic. Our public health program in particular focuses on disease prevention, health education, and improving health outcomes for communities. Public health graduates are equipped to work in roles within government agencies, nonprofits, healthcare organizations, and community-based programs. They help design policies, implement initiatives, and lead outreach efforts that improve population health. When students reflect on their Bellevue University journey, many share that their favorite memories are the professional relationships they built with faculty, coursework that is application-based, and the valuable internship experiences they completed. These opportunities give our students the confidence, practical skills, and professional connections they need to succeed in the health and wellness field beyond their time here at Bellevue University. At Bellevue University, we're here to help turn your passion for health into a career that makes a lasting impact.